The sun's rays, dappling and dancing, paint a shimmering mosaic on the surface of the ocean. But this familiar life-giving light fades rapidly as we descend, transitioning into an alien world of perpetual twilight and finally, utter darkness. Join us as we dive into the depths of the ocean, a place less explored than the surface of the moon, to uncover its most profound mysteries. Here in the cold, dark abyss, life takes on forms both fantastical and strange, a testament to nature's boundless creativity. Prepare to be astonished by the wonders that await, for we are about to journey into a realm where only the bravest and most resilient dare to exist. The deep ocean, once thought to be a barren wasteland, teems with creatures that defy imagination. Here, in the absence of sunlight, life has found ingenious ways to thrive. Take, for instance, the anglerfish, a master of deception. Adorned with a bioluminescent lure dangling precariously from its head, it patiently awaits its prey, a beacon of false hope in the otherwise impenetrable darkness. Then there's the giant squid, a creature of legend. Reaching lengths of over 40 feet, its existence long debated but now confirmed by fleeting glimpses captured on camera traps in the abyssal depths. And what of the vampire squid, its name conjuring images of horror, yet its appearance more ethereal than fearsome? This cephalopod, cloaked in a velvety black cape, possesses enormous bioluminescent eyes that illuminate the darkness with an eerie blue glow. It navigates this alien world with surprising agility, its 8 arms webbed together, creating an undulating living parachute. But it is not just the large and unusual that capture our attention. Look closely, and you'll find a dazzling array of invertebrates. From delicate jellyfish pulsating through the water column like living chandeliers, to bizarre, bioluminescent worms carpeting the sea floor in a silent, shimmering spectacle. Each species, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in this complex and interconnected ecosystem. The deep sea is also home to creatures of immense age and size. Giant tube worms, anchored to hydrothermal vents, can live for centuries, their bodies harboring symbiotic bacteria that convert the vents' toxic chemicals into energy. These oases of life clustered around underwater volcanoes are a testament to the adaptability of life in the face of seemingly insurmountable challenges. Our understanding of deep-sea creatures is constantly evolving as new species are discovered with each passing year. Scientists estimate that we have identified only a fraction of the life that exists in this vast and mysterious realm. With every expedition, every submersible dive, the deep ocean reveals more of its secrets, reminding us of the boundless wonders that our planet holds. Imagine a place of crushing pressure, perpetual darkness, and temperatures hovering just above freezing. This is the reality of the deep-sea trenches, the deepest parts of our oceans, where the ocean floor plunges to unimaginable depths. The most famous of these, the Mariana Trench, descends nearly 7 miles beneath the surface, a depth greater than the height of Mount Everest. Despite these extreme conditions, life persists, defying all expectations. Here we find creatures uniquely adapted to survive in this unforgiving environment. The pressure at these depths is immense, over 1,000 times greater than at sea level, yet the inhabitants of the trenches have evolved specialized proteins and cell membranes that allow them to withstand these crushing forces. One such marvel of adaptation is the snailfish, a seemingly delicate creature that holds the record for the deepest living fish ever discovered. Found at depths exceeding 5 miles in the Mariana Trench, these translucent fish, lacking scales and possessing gelatinous flesh, are perfectly adapted to life in the abyssal depths. Another denizen of the trenches is the giant amphipod, a crustacean resembling a gargantuan pillbug, scavenging on the ocean floor. These creatures have been observed congregating around bait traps, their enormous size a testament to the abundance of food that can be found in these seemingly barren environments. The deep-sea trenches, though seemingly remote and desolate, are intricately connected to the rest of the ocean. They act as giant sinks, trapping sediment and organic matter that drifts down from the surface. This material provides sustenance for the unique communities of organisms that thrive in these extreme environments. Beneath the familiar waves and currents that grace the ocean's surface lies a hidden world of deep-sea currents, vast and powerful rivers flowing in the abyss. These unseen currents, driven by differences in temperature and salinity, play a vital role in regulating Earth's climate and distributing nutrients throughout the ocean. One of the most significant deep-sea currents is the global ocean conveyor belt, a complex system of interconnected currents that encircles the globe. This massive current begins in the frigid waters near the poles, where cold, dense water sinks and flows towards the equator. As it travels, it carries oxygen and nutrients, replenishing the deep ocean and influencing weather patterns worldwide. The deep-sea currents are also responsible for the distribution of heat around the planet. Warm currents flowing from the tropics towards the poles help to moderate temperatures, preventing extreme cold in higher latitudes. Conversely, cold currents flowing from the poles towards the equator help to cool tropical regions. Studying these deep-sea currents is a formidable challenge. The vast distances, extreme depths, and crushing pressures make direct observation difficult and expensive. However, scientists are developing innovative technologies, such as autonomous underwater vehicles and sophisticated sensors, to map these hidden currents and understand their complex dynamics. The health of our planet is inextricably linked to the health of our oceans, and the deep-sea currents play a critical role in maintaining this delicate balance. By understanding these unseen forces, we can better predict and mitigate the impacts of climate change and other environmental threats. The deep ocean, once considered a pristine wilderness untouched by human activities, is now facing growing threats from above. Pollution, climate change, and deep-sea mining are casting long shadows over this fragile and poorly understood ecosystem. Plastics, a ubiquitous pollutant in our modern world, have infiltrated even the deepest parts of the ocean. Microplastics, tiny fragments of plastic less than 5 millimeters in size, have been found in the digestive tracts of deep-sea creatures, raising concerns about the potential impacts on food webs and the health of marine life. Climate change is also taking its toll on the deep ocean. As the ocean absorbs increasing amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, it becomes more acidic, a phenomenon known as ocean acidification. This acidification poses a serious threat to deep-sea creatures, particularly those with calcium carbonate shells, such as corals and some plankton species. Deep-sea mining, the extraction of mineral resources from the ocean floor, is another emerging threat to this fragile ecosystem. While still in its early stages, deep-sea mining has the potential to cause significant damage to seafloor habitats, disrupting sediment plumes and releasing harmful chemicals into the water column. The deep ocean, though hidden from our view, is not beyond our reach or our responsibility. International cooperation and responsible stewardship are crucial to protect this vital part of our planet. By raising awareness about the threats facing the deep ocean and advocating for sustainable practices, we can help to ensure that this unique and awe-inspiring ecosystem remains for generations to come. As we surface back to the light of day, remember that the deep ocean holds keys to understanding our planet. The journey to unravel its secrets continues. The creatures of the deep, in their bizarre beauty and resilience, remind us of the power of nature and the importance of exploration. Let us be inspired by their tenacity, their ability to thrive in the face of adversity, and carry a renewed sense of wonder and responsibility as we emerge from our exploration of the deep. The fate of the ocean, and indeed our planet, rests in our hands. Let us be its guardians, protecting its wonders for generations to come.